Hi there. Today we are going to take a look at our AI website builder. As you can see on the screen, I have my dashboard open, and on the dashboard you're gonna notice this Launch AI Website Builder button. This is exactly where we're starting today. So let's go ahead and click through. The next screen is going to show me a list of templates that I can choose from. These can be full sites, single page funnels, premium and non-premium options. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the premium options. And for our purposes today, let's take a look at this website. You can preview your template before, and I'm gonna select it, and here is where the magic starts to happen. This prompt asks me to provide my brand and website name and a small description of what we do, and here at the bottom a business focus, whether it's an agency, a personal brand, a membership site, a product or service, you decide. For today we're gonna call it Dreamy Creamy. That's our ice cream brand for today. And in our prompt, we're gonna provide information that would be useful for our website copy. And at the bottom here, I'm gonna select the product being our business focus, and I'm gonna go ahead and create the website. Depending on the size of the website, this step will take a little bit longer if I have multiple pages. So after just a few minutes, AI has generated a beautiful website for me, full of content that is relevant to my business. Let's scroll here and see how to edit. So on the Builderall platform, you can easily move elements around. You can edit text naturally, change fonts, move buttons, change boxes, and change any item and element that we would like. We can even utilize our AI image creation right within the platform. So I'm going to right click on this image to give us an example. I'm going to select change image, go to my Magic Lab and give a prompt. So this prompt is going to offer up images that we can use. I've already generated images right inside the platform. This is one. I'm going to use it. I think it's a beautiful picture. It's highly relevant and it fits really well with my website. I can change all of the offerings here. I can set links to wherever my shop is. And if this is already set up as a product in my super checkout, I can link directly to here. And just like that, in just a few minutes, my website is ready for me to make some final edits, go ahead and save and publish my site, and I will have a live website in under 10 minutes. So with that, I have this link. I'm gonna go to this website and I'm gonna see my functioning website that I made with AI in just a few minutes.